The practice of beekeeping is thousands of years old. The domestic honeybees are also called as the European or Western honeybee and is the common of the 9 species of the honey-producing bees. Honeybees live in large colonies which includes one queen bee and 10,000s of female worker bees. Among them, the queen bee is the only one that lays eggs. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. The male honeybees are called drones and are only seen during the mating season. The drones are hatched from unfertilized eggs, whereas the females are hatched from eggs fertilized by drones. The practice of beekeeping dates back to almost 9,000 years ago. This method is also called apiculture. In the modern days, the beekeepers use human MSDE beehives in boxes with rows of wooden frames that bees fill with wax honeycombs. Another important use of honeybees is that they are native pollinators for many crops. The worker bees travel relatively far distances for their tiny body size in search of good food. Once the bee finds a flower patch, it returns to the colony to recruit other workers to the site by performing a waggle dance. The bee's waggle dance represents a symbolic language giving distance and directions. Honeybees gather nectar in their mouth and collects it in a honey crop also known as honey stomach. The pollen accumulates on the bee's hind legs in the pollen basket. The bees then return back to the hive and the workers regurgitate the nectar and pass it among themselves in chains until enzymes in their stomach have broken down nectar into simple sugars. Once the nectar has been turned into honey and dehydrated, the bees seal it in honeycombs with a thin layer of beeswax. People consume and use products that are directly produced by honeybees, including honey and beeswax. Since honey contains high sugar contents, it is a desirable sweet treat. Beeswax is made from the bee's glandular secretions, which build the hexagonal cells that serve as brooding and storage chambers in the hive. The beeswax can be used in making candles, skincare products and soaps. Honey and other bee products has many medicinal purposes, including propolis and royal jelly, which is glandular secretion produced by the nursery bees responsible for taking care of baby bees. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.